Hello everyone, I'm back with some more information on aviation, tourism and hospitality industry. Do you think aviation industry is the only one which gives you travel opportunities? No. The travel and tourism actually gives you more travel opportunities and multiple options to start working in different lines. I'm going to share with you at least 5 categories today which maybe you have not even heard about. So the first one is tour operation. Do you know a tour operator can actually travel with the people all across the world? He manages a group. When people travel to Australia, New Zealand, people travel to Europe, USA, he travels along with them and look after all the arrangements. This is one job which gives you so much of opportunity to travel across the world. The second is as a travel blogger. Have you even heard about it? Because you can write about various destinations, about various attractions in the country, about the food, about the products in the country, and the tourism board of that country will be very happy if you write articles about their products, and you can start earning very well by writing travel blogs on different countries and products. The third is that you can become an expert in tourism photography. A lot of people travel across the world and click photographs. And do you know these photographs not only are bought by the tourism boards themselves, but also by Shutterstock and many other websites where you can paste your photographs and you can start earning well by just clicking the photographs of various destinations. And the stage will come when the destination will call you. If you're a good photographer, the destination will call you and ask you to click photographs of their products. The next best thing you can do in travel and tourism line is, after getting the right training, you can join a cruise ship as a crew, where you will not only get the opportunity to travel across the world, but also it's a very different kind of job where you're going to interact with the people who are very high end and very wealthy and rich people, and you make contacts with the people accordingly and you grow accordingly in your life. And the last thing is that you can become an expert in travel and tourism by focusing on a particular area. So such as you can get into wildlife tourism, you can get into adventure travel, where you go into trekking, hiking, camping, those kind of things. Or you can become a medical tourism expert, you can become a sports tourism expert, and of course photography tourism is also one of the options that I told you earlier. So all these options are available for you to grow in your life if you decide to come in just one particular training, which not only gives you the options to join the travel and tourism, but also opens the opportunities in airlines as well as the hospitality industry. So I want to ask you, what are you thinking? So start your training today and start earning well, not only in terms of making good money, but also in exploring the world in your own passion. Thank you. Bye-bye.